Hello everybody, this is Don Meyer, Plumbing Solutions, and I'm going to take you for a behind the scenes walkthrough at our office. See the frontline staff here. Okay, as we go in, please watch for the cats. We got some killer cats inside. Hi Karen.
Good morning.
Hello,
How are you?
this is Karen. Hey. Okay. This is our core values. Here we have Lynette. Say hi, Lynette.
Hi.
All right. Oh, there's my room. My office. Quick walkthrough of my office. Here's our conference room. Again, our core values up on the wall. All right, this is kind of a training room tech area where the guys can come and research material, order. And here we are. Oh, Karen's gone. Okay. Oh, there's one of the killer cats. Okay.
Bye.
Have a good day.